Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Sweat Wallet application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Sweat Wallet application from your app drawer, and once you are in the main home page of Sweat Wallet, go ahead and tap on your name initial at the top left. This will then open up your profile page. From your profile page, scroll all the way down and tap on the Logout button. But before logging out of your wallet, make sure that you've backed up your wallet's secret phrases. Tap on this Create a New Secret Phrase option and then tap on Secure Your Account. Tap on Create a New Phrase and tap on the View Secret Phrase option and write down the 12 words phrases in the correct order in a secure folder. Once you've backed up your secret phrases from your My Profile page, tap on the Log Out button at the bottom and tap on I Understand, Continue. Soon after you do that, you will end up in this page. That means you've successfully logged out of your Sweat Wallet. So that's how easily you can sign out or log out of Sweat Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.